I'm back to Insert tab and Images section again. The thing we have done so far is we use the Insert tab and Pictures section, and we have added a picture into the slide and study the features of it from the Format tab. You can add pictures into your slide in different ways. So let's see what are the PowerPoint options for adding the pictures. I create a blank slide, and from Insert Picture I select the Online Picture. Actually, you have seen how you can work with it before. This option is replaced with the clip art option. The clip art that are gone completely and gives its place to the online pictures. Microsoft gives you the access to use the different picture from wide range of categories, or even search your favorite images with Bing search engine in the search box and use it. Select a picture and click on the Insert option. Your picture will be downloaded and will be added in your slide. When you add a picture from the internet, the Format tab has the same options with adding the pictures from Insert Picture. Actually, there is no difference. The next option is the Screenshot option that gives you the access to take a screenshot from the other documents or pages that they are open in your computer, and it will be added in your computer immediately. You can also use the print screen of the keyboard for taking the screenshot from the screen of your computer. That if you use this option, you should paste it into the Paint and edit it. It will take a long time. Also, you can use the snipping tools of the window. To open these tools, you can search the word snipping tools in the search box of the Windows, and this tool will be activated for you. This is not a PowerPoint tool. This is a tool from the Windows that you can activate it, then take a screenshot from the document that you want. Then click on the copy option, then go to the slides of your PowerPoint and paste it, and add that picture into the slides of the PowerPoint. But the easiest way is using the screenshot option of the PowerPoint. After activating it, open your document, and when the slide is in this way, by dragging and dropping, you can add the capture picture into the slide of the PowerPoint very fast.
Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Shariflu. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.